everyone, welcome once again to my Disney Dream Vlogs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about shoes, comfortable walking shoes for those long days in the parks where you just have to wear comfortable shoes. So stay with me and we'll get right to it. So, what shoes am I going to talk about? First of all, I'm going to share with you two pairs of shoes that are tried and true that I wore on our last 2016 vacation at Walt Disney World, where I was walking no less than 30,000 steps a day. And we were there for about 7-8 days. So those two are for sure comfortable, and I will recommend them and I love them. And then two pairs that I just bought in hopes of them working for our next trip this summer, which is going to be our mom and daughter trip. And I will link a video here where we talk about what we're hoping. So, yeah, so excited. So let me get right to it, to the first tried and truly recommended shoes that I know work and I think you might like. So let me get right to it. She kind of stole them from me, so don't mind the stains. They just mean they're loved. It's these Skechers Go Walks, I think is what they're called. It's actually Skechers Go Flex is what it says on the side right here. Like I said, I'm sorry they're stained just because they're my daughter's, and yeah. They used to be mine, now there's hers. They are very, very flexible, very light. I mean, they literally don't weigh anything. And they're super, super comfortable. And they have good cushion, and I don't know, they're very, very comfortable. And I honestly think these could go well with crop pants, with shorts, with just anything, honestly. These look, and they have different colors, I think. So I mean, they might not be the most stylish shoes, but they were comfortable and I really do like them. So these are comfortable and they're by Skechers, no surprise. I've discovered many of the Skechers, as you will see a theme here. Those are the ones that I recommend, and a lot of people recommend, no surprisingly. So Skechers Go Flex are one of the favorite ones. Other of my favorite shoes that I wore in our 2016 and I still wear on a daily basis are these Skechers right here, as you can see. Again, they're not the most fashionable or more stylish or anything like that, but hey, they're comfortable. They helped with my backache, and yeah, I don't know. It just says Skechers Air Cooled Memory Foam on the inside. On the side, it just says Flex Sole 2.0. I wish I had, but this is what they look like. I mean, if there's any, and then on the inside, that's all that you get. And then, I mean, I don't know. I'm sorry. It's probably not much help. But, and then here on the side is where you get the Flex Sole 2.0. I hope you can see that right there. I'll give it a few minutes for it to, or a few seconds for it to kind of focus on camera. But once again, look, I mean, they're very, very flexible, very, very lightweight, and it does have memory foam, and I never felt my feet get hot. It's very true what it says with the air-cooled memory foam. If they got wet, they cooled down or they dried very fast. I love them. The only thing I don't like about these are the what are these called? Oh, the shoelaces. I don't like them because they become undone so fast. And so I have to always like double tie them and like a certain way so that they don't become undone. Otherwise, they will for some reason. And apparently this happens because I work in a clinic, so a lot of like either nurses or people there have this type of shoe, and they always complain about the same issue with the shoelaces. I don't know if you guys have these. If you guys experience the same thing, let me know, because yeah. Anyways, so those are the two pairs that I have and I've used, and that's that. Now for the two pairs of shoes that we're planning, or we just got for our second trip, and this is going to be for a mom and daughter trip that we're planning to have in the summer. And these we got in hopes of them working and being comfortable and everything like that. So hopefully they will be. They seemed very comfortable while we tried them on, and they had the similar kind of properties and like the ones that I already do have. So we'll see about that. And one of these is for me and the other one is my daughter's. So Skechers, again, I swear I am not being paid, which I wish I was being sponsored, but I'm not. So this is the Skechers Active, and finally I have like an actual box to show you because these are actually new. So I got these, I don't even know what store it was. Hopefully it might say here. I don't know, but it's one of the shoe stores. It's Famous Footwear. So they had these actually on sale, which I was super surprised. It was like $20 or something. And these I actually thought were so cute. And I wish my daughter would have wanted some because they had these in black, in like a white grayish color, navy blue, and then these. And I've been wanting something in this color. And I'm so excited for these. I just think these are so cute. These are the most, and these are just slip-on. The most, I think, feminine, prettier Skechers that I've had. So I'm very, very excited to wear these. It has a little nice bow, as you can see right there. And they're also memory foam. Let me show you from the inside. That's what it says. And yeah, I really, really like the detail. They kind of look like some Vans that I used to have back then. But yeah, they're very, very cute. They're very, very comfortable. They're also light, and I have the nice little detail on the side back here. It says just Skechers. So I like the minimalism of, I don't know, I like them a lot. And they're the Skechers Active Avenue. Sorry, it's the Skechers Active Avenue. Are these right here are Bandz, and then wait till I show you these, and let me know if they remind you of anything or anyone. Look at these. Aren't they cute? I think these are super cute because they have kind of like a theme going on. I think they're kind of like Disney, like Mickey kind of. I think they're kind of like Mickey colored with the black and the red and the white. So yeah, I think these are cute. And she said they were comfortable. Hopefully they will. To me, they kind of feel a little stiff, so I don't know about that. But I don't know. Bandz says they claim that they're comfortable. So we'll see about that. But these are actually the men's shoes. It's the checkerboard black, red, and white. But we'll see. That's it. We're still kind of thinking of getting more shoes because we're going to be there for about a week or so, and we still need to break them in. So we're going to start using these. We're going to start using these shoes and the other shoes that we're planning on getting, because there's nothing worse. That's the one thing, and the one tip I also wanted to give is do not take new shoes to Disney World, because you need to break these shoes in. Otherwise, you will get blisters no matter how comfortable they claim to be or how much these shoes are made for walking. If you don't break them in, they will cause pain, they will blister. You need to have them form into your feet and be, you know, comfortable. So break in your shoes, make sure you get comfortable shoes, not just for the looks, not just so that they look pretty on you and go well with your outfits. I always say it's comfort more than anything. I know we all want nice, beautiful Instagram photos, but above all, you need comfort in order for you to enjoy your days at the world. And so I think that's it for now. If you guys want to keep seeing more hauls, I'm still waiting on some orders for some ears that I placed, some custom ears. So, well, not custom, but some ears that I ordered from a small seller, not from Disney, but a small seller. So if you guys want to see all that and the future things that we're going to be ordering to make our trip more fun, etc., etc. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, just make sure to click that bell and subscribe. Just make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And like I always say, till next time, guys, keep Disney dreaming. Bye.